Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec, on Monday the 15th of June. Let's have a look at Eurodollar, which we've been discussing how Eurodollar has been sort of in this process, I think, of turning corrective. We started a little bit early, maybe too early, but still we've been talking about it, and we've been noticing in the last week certainly that the technical indicators have been just rolling over. These MACD lines have been sort of coming together as the market has been rallying. It's shown through the histograms, which are falling. The RSI, arguably a bearish divergence there, and on stochastics. And now we're starting to see this coming together with a corrective move. We've had a bearish move on Thursday, which broke another uptrend. We had a bearish move on Friday, which effectively completed a top pattern. And that top pattern below 112.40 has yet to be closed, I might add, has yet to be closed, or completed on a closing basis, I should say. But you can see on the hourly chart, it's consistently now testing underneath that 112.40 level. It can't quite make that decisive move yet, but momentum on the hourly is turning much more corrective. Throughout the run higher, we had all of these moving averages rising. We had the support of that 55-hour moving average consistently. When we started losing that as support, we started to get a little bit more cautious. That support again broke on Thursday and is now becoming the basis of resistance on the way down. We're taking on a more of a corrective configuration on momentum as well. The RSI on the hourly, which had been going above 70, started to fail at 70 back end or middle of last week. It's now gone under 6, now failing around the 60 mark and arguably now around the 50 mark. So turning increasingly corrective. And a failure, I think, to get back above the sort of 1275 area, which was that old low from, or intraday support low from Friday. Failure to get back above that sort of adds to the whole corrective air that we've got on Eurodollar now. 113.20 was a near-term pivot line, became resistance on Friday, fell away again, and it certainly looks as though the market is starting to sort of drop on a net basis. I'm not saying it's going to go directly down. It seemed to be a fairly considered and arguably choppy move, I think, but see, it still seems to be as though that this is a move that is rolling over. You could easily see it back towards this trend support, which currently comes in around 11, just under an 11 big figure, and you could measure the 1240 top pattern as a downside target towards about 11 big figure as well. So there is room for a corrective move, and especially with these momentum indicators rolling over, we could start to see it happening. So whilst Eurodollar fails to get back above 13.20, I think you still see a corrective outlook in place. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos. Go to our website to sign up for our webinars, and go to click our Trader Talks videos to gain some top trading ideas.